If you want to add some news or announcements onto your student activity page, it's very easy to do. When you come onto your page, it will say on your page something like news and announcements, or news from Green Schools, or in this case what's happening in science in St. Oliver's. And as a moderator, you'll see the words add new announcement. So you simply click on add new announcement and a window will open up. Now it's in this window that we actually fill in our news piece. Now anything that has a red star in SharePoint means that you must fill in a piece of information. So in this case I'm going to call this a test message. Our page is now open. Okay. Alright, so you just you type in your message as normal. Welcome to the science page. Okay, and like Word, you can highlight it. You can change the color of the font. Okay, in this case I'm going to choose blue. Switch my spelling there. You can actually put on a spell check at the very end if you wish. You can highlight it again, make it bold. This one here changes the size of the font to make it larger. Okay, this one here, if you highlight it again, the one beside it, are the different styles of font that will come on. It just takes a second for them to come up, so we could just make it Algerian. Another thing you can do actually is you can attach a photograph to your piece of news if you wish. Just select attach file and browse for it as you would attach a picture to an email. If you wish to hyperlink part of your page onto somewhere else, for example, I'm going to open a tab and I'm going to hyperlink it to a maybe this page here. So this could be maybe a science page or something that I want to use within my news announcements. So what I do is I have my tab open and I right click, copy, go back to my news and announcements, and I'm going to hyperlink the word science. So when the students or whoever click on that word science, that it will bring them to that page. So you highlight the word science and you click this icon here, which looks like a word with a link in it. So when you click that, another box opens up. So when this people highlight and click on the word science, the address, all you have to do is Control V or right click paste. And that goes in there. So this isn't hyperlinked within the message, it's only when you can see the message. And if you want your message to expire after a number of days, you can simply select it from the calendar, or in general you can leave that blank. So once you're happy with your message, then you just select OK. Okay, so now you can see the message that I just put in, test message, our page is now open. Welcome to the science page. When the people click on science, see it becomes a hand there. When you click on science, it will bring you to the page that I had hyperlinked within that message. When you put on a message, the person who typed in that message, their name appears here, and also the heading of that message comes up. Now, to delete any messages, the easiest way to do that is to simply click on the heading of your news and announcements. So in this case, what's happening in science. Okay, so your various messages appear here. So here's my test message, and this is the one I'm going to delete. So simply click on the little black triangle there, come down and select delete item. If I had a spelling mistake in the title and I wanted to edit it, I can do it there under edit item. But in this case, I'm just going to delete it. Are you sure you want to delete it? Yes, I am. That message actually goes into the recycle bin, which is located on a site. Only contributors and moderators of sites can see that recycle bin. Members of the public, students, other staff can't see it. And to delete everything that's in that recycle bin, you simply select them and delete them, and they are completely deleted then. So I'm using my breadcrumb to go back to Science in St. Oliver's. So now you can see my message is gone. And that's how to